The main reason for using catalysts in the PPU air separation system is to remove carbon monoxide from the air, ensure the stable operation of the air separation equipment, and improve the quality of gas products. Carbon monoxide catalysts adsorb and remove carbon monoxide from the air through efficient absorption and catalysis. They can quickly capture carbon monoxide molecules in the gas and adsorb carbon monoxide on their own surface. Under certain conditions, the catalyst can also cause carbon monoxide to react with oxygen and convert it into harmless substances such as carbon dioxide. Therefore, carbon monoxide catalysts play a huge role in the PPU air separation system.